Yo, what's up, guys? Today I want to work on this problem on Codewars, multiples of 3 or 5. So the challenge is to write a function that returns the sum of all the multiples of 3 or 5 below a number passed in. So for example, if we list all the natural numbers below 10, that are a multiple of 3 or 5, right? We get 3, 5, 6, and 9, and the sum of these would be 23. So now our task is to write a function to do so, right? And so in Python there is a operator, the modular operator, which is used to get the remainder of a division. So let if you do this 8 modulo 3, so which should be 3 times, so 8 equals 3 times 2 plus 2, right? Yeah, 8 equals 3 times 2 plus 2. Let me make this bigger. So the modular operator will give us this number. So if a number is a multiple of 3 or 5, it means that the number is divided by 3 or 5 without any equals 0, without any remainder whatsoever. So if we do 9, right, because we know 9 is divided equally into 3, it will be 0. So this is how we check for a number if it is a multiple of 3 or 5, or any number for that matter, right? And we have to sum all of them together. So I think we will use a variable called sum, and we will assign a value of 0 in the beginning. And in order to check if a number is divided by 3 or 5, we will have to do I think we can do for I in range number, maybe. So I'll go from 0 to that number. Yeah, because it is, if we have to below 10, right, so it doesn't take 10. So for I in range number would work out perfectly. If I modulo 3, so or I, well, actually equals 0, or I modulo 5 0. So this is how our condition to check whether a number are either multiple of 3 or 5. So 3 or 5, right? Not and. And also there's a note here: if a number is a multiple of both, only count it once. If a number is negative, return 0. We don't have to worry about this. If a number is negative, yeah, we only use we don't, the I in range number is not, I can never be negative, so we don't have to worry about that. So if I divided by 3 or 5 evenly, we will do sum plus equal I. So we add I to the sum, and then this function at the end will return sum. What do I do wrong? Oh, this is debug again. Holy. Okay, this works. Delete that cell. Some bug with the cell. So let's test it out. Right? Solution. That's 10. 23. Perfect. How about 11? 33. Good. Let's do 15. 16. Can we do negative? Negative will be 0. Because range of if a number is negative, return 0. So it works. Let's test it out. Yeah. So if can we do solution of negative 1 is 0? Wait, I don't know. I'm curious, like what range of -2 is. Can we iterate for? I never done range of negative numbers, so print I. What is it? Does it print anything? It doesn't print anything. So range of a negative number is what? Range negative number Python. No, not try for positive. Three. I think you can. Okay. For 3 range. So I guess it will take. So start and end and then step. But if you do and have start, stop, and end, if you just put one number in there, it will be the stop, right? Step is optional. Integer from start to stop is exclusive by step. Start default 0, stop you made it. Start default to 0 and stop is omitted. Range for put is there. Okay, I'll have to research this a little bit more. This is way I'm getting distracted. Let's test it out, right? Test. Cool. Okay, so this works. Thanks for watching. This is my solution to this challenge.